Hi, I'm Ina from Rebag, and I am going to teach you how to care for your favorite Louis Vuitton tote, the Neverfull. Whether you own it in coated canvas or epi leather, these are our top tips for keeping it in great condition. Tip number 1, take good care of your bag to start with. Be mindful of its base corners and its handles and never overstep it. It's designed to hold a lot of weight, but it may stress the material over time. Tip number 2, regular cleaning is essential for this everyday style. You only need a few things to thoroughly clean your Neverfull, including a suede brush, a microfiber cloth, a lint roller, baby wipes, and leather wipes. Starting with the inside, use the suede brush or microfiber cloth inside of the bag to gently brush out any debris. This works for both canvas and microfiber interiors. Then you can take a lint roller to catch any remaining debris. Remember to clean the side pocket and the pochette if your bag has one. We recommend cleaning the interior of your bag every couple weeks. Next is the exterior. With your microfiber cloth, give it a quick wipe down. Then repeat the same process with an unscented baby wipe for your coated canvas bag or a leather wipe for your epi leather bag. After, you'll want to dry it off with your microfiber cloth. We recommend wiping down the exterior of your bag once every week. Note that some styles, like this monogram Neverfull, have handles and leather trim made of soft vachetta. It is absorbent and it can oxidize over time. This is called patina. You can slow down this process by minimizing exposure to water and the oils on your skin. And finally, tip number 3, store it away properly when it's not in use. We recommend stuffing it so that it retains its shape. You can fill it with a pillow or a folded scarf, but don't overstuff it either. Make sure to tuck its accessories, like its matching pochette and its handles, into the interior. Finally, place it into a dust bag and store in a cool, dry, and dark place. And there you have it, our best tips for caring for your Neverfull. Thanks for watching.